Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress Studio. To begin, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and locate the Studio tab, typically found in the left-hand menu. Clicking this will open the Studio interface, presenting you with a clean, intuitive workspace. Here, you'll find essential tools for managing your site's core elements, from pages to global settings, all designed for streamlined creation and editing. It's your central hub for building and maintaining your online presence. Once inside WordPress Studio, crafting compelling content is straightforward. Utilize the powerful block editor to build pages and posts with ease, dragging and dropping elements like text, images, and videos. Explore the extensive library of pre-designed patterns and templates, allowing you to create professional layouts in just a few clicks. Managing your media is also simple, with dedicated tools for uploading, organizing, and embedding all your visual assets directly into your content. Personalizing your website's look and feel is a key strength of WordPress Studio. Dive into the Global Styles panel to define your site's typography, color palettes, and overall aesthetic with precision. You can customize existing themes or build entirely new ones, ensuring your brand identity shines through. Remember to implement responsive design principles, making sure your site looks fantastic and functions perfectly across all devices, from large desktop monitors to small mobile phones. To extend your site's capabilities, WordPress Studio seamlessly integrates with thousands of third-party plugins, adding features like e-commerce or advanced analytics. Optimize your site for search engines directly within the Studio, improving its visibility and reach. Finally, when your masterpiece is complete, the publishing process is intuitive. With just a few clicks, your site will be live and accessible to your audience, ready to make an impact on the web.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.